Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, we're doing my get ready for work makeup look tutorial type of thing. So basically, I'm just gonna be showing you what I use, and it's gonna be in a voiceover style because my son is awake right now and he's watching cartoons. So if you want to see how I get this look for work, very simple, some type of natural, then just keep on watching. So first things first is my eyebrows. I am filling them in with the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Black. I love this eyebrow pencil. It blends out like a dream, very pigmented, and it's nice and black like my hair. So yeah, I don't really do a lot because I have naturally full eyebrows. I just like to fill in the sparse areas. You know, it gotta be quick because I gotta get ready for work in less than an hour, so can't be spending my time on my eyebrows. So then I'm taking the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer to clean them up and to prime my lids for eyeshadow in the shade Olive. And then I'm just taking a flat like buffing concealer brush. I got this one in Ipsy. It's like a Harley Quinn collab, and I love this brush. So I'm just using that to blend out the concealer on my eyebrows and on my eyelids, and I bring a little bit on top just to clean it up a bit. And then I'm gonna go in with a sponge just to take up some of the excess concealer. And then my lips was looking crusty, so I applied some of the ColourPop lippy balm. And then I'm taking this Bella Pierre banana powder and using that to set my concealer on my lids. So Blake is up right now. I'm trying to get him down to sleep, so you're gonna hear him being a little bit cranky in the background, so sorry for that. So then I'm taking this Wet n Wild 10 pan eyeshadow palette. This is the Rose in the Air one, and I'm taking that transition shade and just throwing it in my crease and packing it on very, very lightly on the outer corner just to create some dimension. Then I'm taking this W7 mascara that I got from Marshall's for like less than $4. And at first I thought it was bad, but you just gotta like work with it, like go really, really slow. And it's actually a pretty decent mascara, so it's okay. It's not the best, but it's not the worst, I guess. So then when I was applying mascara, it transferred to my lid, and we can't have that here, sis. We can't have that. So I'm taking the Essence Matte Style Super Last Eyeliner in Matte Black, and I'm creating a pretty thin line. I mean, it could be thinner, but you know, when you're in a rush, who cares? So I create a little baby wing. Then I'm taking these lashes that was laying around on my desk and applying them with the AOA lash glue. And then onto the base, I'm taking this Pond's Facial Cream Moisturizer and moisturizing. And I'm almost out of this stuff. I can't believe I went through a whole jar of this moisturizer. It's pretty good, not gonna lie. Then I'm taking the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer to prime. And I don't know, but this combo is giving me life. Like, I look hella dewy and I love it. So then I'm just going to rub that in with my little fingertips or whatever and massage it into the skin. Then I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. This is in the shade 332C. So 332C. And I'm just taking my sponge and blending that into the skin. And I only used 2 pumps for my entire face. Normally I do 2 pumps on each side, but like I said, I'm going to work. I don't need to look crazy or nothing. So, you know, just blendity blend. Just keep blending. Some more blending. So then I'm going back in with the NYX concealer in the shade Olive to highlight my face. You know, the usual places. Under the eyes, bridge of the nose, my little big forehead, my chin, Cupid's bow, and the sides of my mouth. And then I'm going back in with that same sponge, and I'm using the side that I use for my foundation so that nothing looks too bright or too harsh. So now I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Face HD High Definition Powder in the shade Creamy Natural and putting that anywhere I put concealer because it is a bit too light. And then I'm going to take the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation in the shade 332 Golden Caramel and putting that everywhere else, and then lightly swiping it over where I put the LA Girl powder. This is just so that everything looks nice and cohesive, sis. We don't want no harsh lines, you know? So then I'm going into bronzer, and for bronzer, I'm using the NARS Laguna bronzer. I got this at Marshall's for $4.50. Like, what? I'm pretty sure this is like more than $25 at Sephora or Ulta. So Marshall's be coming through with the deals. So, you know, cheekbones, temples, carve out my jawline or whatever, and the sides of my nose, because you know I need my nose to look snatched. So that's what we're gonna call it from now. A snatched nose. Snose. Serenity Rose terminology. So then for blush, we are taking the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten in the shade Tropic Hues and applying that to the cheeks. So if you notice, I practically just used one brush for the face, and in total I only used three brushes and one blending brush. So now for highlight, we are taking the Physicians Formula Butter highlighter in the shade Champagne, if I'm not mistaken, and I'm taking this little highlighter brush from BH Cosmetics to apply that to the cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, or the tip of my nose and the top of the bridge of my nose, and my chin. And then I'm going in with the Rimmel Scandalized eyeliner for my waterline. So I'm going to wipe off the ColourPop Lippy Balm and move on to my lips. So I'm taking the ColourPop Lippy pencil in BFF3 and lining my lips. And then I'm going in with the ColourPop Luxe lipstick in the shade Pinkies Up. So then I'm taking this Ulta Beauty Shiny Sheer Lip Gloss in the shade Sugar and top coating my lips, if you want to say that. Just, you know, applying some shine. I love this lip gloss. It's the best. And then for my lower lash line or lower lashes, I'm taking the Smashbox Superfan Mascara. And the wand is pretty spiky, so it's pretty good for lower lashes. And then I just had to go in on my top falsies because some concealer got on it. And then to set everything in place for 24 hours, or at least 12, because I work 12-hour shifts, I'm taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and this stuff is bomb. And then I'm taking my little fan and drying everything down, and then before everything dries, I go in with my beauty sponge and press in the highlight so it looks natural. And then I'm just going to comb my hair out so it looks, you know, somewhat put together, because I'm just going to put it in a ponytail at work anyways, but, you know, I need to go to work presentable, so yeah. Okay, so this is the completed look. This is normally my go-to look for work. Sometimes I go a little bit nuder on the lips. Sometimes I'll just leave setting powder on my eyes. I don't even put in a transition shade. Sometimes I'll throw a little bit of the transition shade on my lower lash line. But this is the basics. Nothing too crazy. No crazy eye looks. No excessive highlighter. Just something that looks a little bit more natural. And yeah, I give myself at least an hour to get ready. Like 20 minutes in the shower, come out, do this, and then I give myself enough time to go and pick up food on my way to work sometimes, or make food here before I go. So yeah, this is just my simple get ready for work makeup look. Comment down below what you guys think, if you like it, if it's too much, if it's too little. But keep in mind, I work in a warehouse, so I'm just moving boxes. I don't need to look crazy or nothing. I ain't trying to impress nobody. I already got a baby daddy / boyfriend and a son, so I'm good. So yeah, comment down below. If you liked it, drop a thumbs up. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. I'd love to have you join the Rose family. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are. And I will see you guys in my next video. I need to get to work. Bye.